Biotin, also known as vitamin B7 or vitamin H, is a water-soluble vitamin that belongs to the B vitamin complex. It plays a crucial role in various metabolic processes in the body, particularly in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Biotin is involved in the conversion of food into energy by helping enzymes in the body break down macronutrients. It is also essential for the synthesis of fatty acids, amino acids, and glucose. Additionally, biotin plays a role in maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. While biotin deficiency is rare, it can lead to symptoms such as hair loss, skin rash, brittle nails, fatigue, and neurological problems. However, biotin deficiencies are more commonly observed in individuals with certain medical conditions, such as genetic disorders, or those who have undergone long-term antibiotic treatments. Biotin is naturally present in a variety of foods, including organ meats, eggs, nuts, seeds, fish, dairy products, and certain vegetables like sweet potatoes and spinach. It is also available as a dietary supplement and is often included in multivitamin formulations and products marketed for hair, skin, and nail health. Which age group people are required a biotin supplement? Biotin supplements are generally recommended for individuals who have a biotin deficiency or certain medical conditions that affect biotin absorption or metabolism. However, for healthy individuals with a balanced diet, biotin supplementation is not typically necessary. The recommended daily intake of biotin for adults is approximately 30 micrograms, mcg, per day. Most people can obtain an adequate amount of biotin through their diet, as it is found in a variety of foods. Best time to take biotin: evening or morning? There is no specific best time of day to take biotin. Biotin is a water-soluble vitamin, which means it is not stored in the body and is generally well absorbed regardless of the time of day it is consumed. Therefore, you can take biotin at a time that is most convenient for you. Some people prefer taking biotin in the morning with breakfast to ensure they remember to take it and to start the day with their supplement routine. Others prefer taking it in the evening with dinner or before bedtime. Ultimately, the choice of when to take biotin depends on your personal preference and what works best for your daily schedule. If you have specific concerns about biotin or its role in your health, it is always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.